To view a field's history or see the various map layers for a given field, begin by selecting the Fields tab. From here, scroll and click on the field you would like to view. On the left-hand side of your screen, a number of field health images will appear, ordered by date. Scouting images are a measure of the biomass in your field, with low biomass being red and high biomass being dark green. You can change to vegetation maps, again to see low biomass to the high biomass in your field. If you scroll down past all of the field health images, you will be able to see the metrics of your planting and harvest data that you have in your account for this specific year. If I wish to change years, I can use the drop down beside the year, and I'm going to select my 2018 corn. From here, I can view my data and various map layers by clicking on the drop down beside Field Health. I'm going to go back, and now I can see maps for my field summary, planting, in-season, harvest, and base layers. If any of these areas are grayed out, it simply means that you do not have data in your account for them. I'm going to begin by selecting on my field summary. This is simply the boundary that I have in my account for this field. I'm going to go ahead, use the drop down again, and see my planting maps. Here I can see hybrid maps, population, planting date, planter speed, or target population. I'm going to click on my hybrid map, and here I can see my legend in the right hand corner, as well as my field metrics, my planting metrics on the left hand side. Use the drop down again beside hybrid and go back at a planting. This time I'm going to go to in season. Here I can view field health images or application maps. If I had other imagery or crop water use in my account, they would appear here. I'm going to click on my application maps, and on the left hand side I can click on the one I would like to view. Again, I can select the drop down beside applications, go back out of in season, and select harvest. Here I can see maps for my yield, moisture, harvest date, and combine speed. I'm going to select a yield map. And here on my legend, if I click edit, I have the option to change my max and my min. So I'm going to change my min to 50. Leave my max, and I'm going to increase the number of steps and select save. This will change my map and my legend accordingly. Again, to view a different map layer, I'm going to select yield, go back at a harvest, and choose base layers. Here I have the option to choose between a planter elevation map or a combine elevation map. If I would like to gather more insights from my data, I can also select the split screen mode. And on one side, for example, I could put up a hybrid map, and on the other side, I could put up a yield map. I can use the zoom in and zoom out features and drag my screen to wherever I want to view. I can use the recenter button to bring myself back into the middle of the screen. On this side, I can expand up my planting information, and on the other side again, I can expand up my yield information. Once I'm done in split screen mode, I'm going to select close. From here, I also have the option to drop a pin in my field by selecting this little pointer and picking my place in the field. I have the option to add my activity details and my notes and save this pin to view later. So we'll just put field pin and submit, and now it's going to save it in that location on my field. If you would like to view other fields in your account, use the drop down beside your field name, or simply select the Fields tab to bring you back to the main screen.